Alright boys, so this is going to be probably the last pheasant hunt of the year. So we're going to go to this field. There's a lot more chukar than there is pheasant, so hopefully we can get a decent amount of birds today. Got the guns loaded up, got the bag loaded up, good to go. So let's get this, let's see what we can do, see how many birds we can kill, and possibly do a catch and cook. Probably not. So I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned. Oh my god, he shot the head off. You shot his head off.
Well, that's what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah.
Better to knock his head off.
That was a good boy. Here. Here. Leave it.
I might have to go walk through that.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. There's a bird. Leave it.
Go ahead, y'all get it.
Leave it.
I'll back you up.
Leave it. Get the bird.
Somebody got it, other than I think
Good boy. Still alive a little bit. Drop. Drop it. Drop it. Alright, Rip, get the bird. Right there. Get the bird.
get him up.
Rip. There you go.
Told you I'm a sniper. My gun's still better.
I got a free AC from one of the birds flapping in the back.
Good boy! Uh-huh.
Dog's doing
Damn.
a better job.
Yeah.
She's a bad. She's a bad.
What'd you shoot?
Yeah, I shot.
Oh, that wasn't you?
That wasn't it.
No, he shot.
That was me.
You're smoking.
It didn't crumple to the left.
Oh.
Up, it's still going.
Here.
Here, let me have it. I'll kill it.
Here.
Come here.
Okay, give it down.
Come on.
Here, drop it.
No, and then kick it.
And then duck down.
Yeah, if it's that way.
Okay, just gonna fling my bird around.
Jump done.
Okay.
You gotta poo.
Well, minus one to remember.
There's a bird right there.
Leave it. Leave it. Let it fly. Shoot it.
It was
What are you doing?
it was too close to him.
It was not.
Come here. Oh my god. Look at him.
Oh, it's still alive. It's still
Leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Drop it. Drop. Drop. Sit. Kick it up.
Go that way.
Is it not gonna fly? Leave it. Sit. Sit. Leave it.
Bro, look,
Get
he has a
her.
goatee. Put the feather perfectly right there.
Mark, lay down.
Where'd that one come from?
I don't know. He's got yours though.
That's either 12 or 13 in the bag.
What, did Uncle Mark fall?
Huh?
Hello, baby.
Can't get back up.
My knees killed.
Uncle Mark said there's 2 down all the way at the end.
Well, some of them probably don't belong to you guys, but
Yeah.
that's okay.
Medics!
Medic.
They shot one too.
Medics!
Medic.
Leave it. Sit. He's on to something. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Rip. Leave it. You see it? Oh,
Dad! Dad! I would have shot right over Maddox's head.
Yeah,
Right
no.
doing that.
Come on. Finally. Almost sat down right before we found it. Leave it. Leave it.
Oh, I see it.
Leave it. Sit. Sit. Leave it. Sit.
Maddie, get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. About time you got one.
That's like my fourth.
Okay.
But I also got to do this every time I shoot.
Get up.
Good boy. Drop it.
You gotta find you a good chucker.
Leave it. Leave it.
Hey, man.
Leave it.
There you go.
Alright, so this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to clean these. There's no need to record me cleaning them. I already did that in a couple of the other videos. So this is probably going to be the last hunt of the season. It was pretty good, pretty fun. I wasn't recording as much as I normally do. I was just kind of having fun and just in the moment. But I recorded most of the stuff. I'm hoping we can get a lot more fishing videos because the hunting isn't getting old, but I like making fishing videos. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see us do in the future. And as always, see you next time.